How to start dropshipping on eBay with CJ Dropshipping. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another dropshipping related tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can basically start your dropshipping on eBay with a great dropshipping application there is out there, which is called CJ Dropshipping. So I'm going to be explaining it all to you. I'm going to sign you up with CJ. I'm going to sign you up with eBay. I'm going to show you how to mess around with the optimization settings, and I'm going to show you how to start your drop shipping and how you can configure all the different details, and I'm going to cross-reference all those things with Google Trends. And I just want you to sit back, relax, and listen to all my instructions and watch this video till the end, because if you do that, I guarantee you that you're going to properly know how to start dropshipping on eBay with CJ Dropshipping. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, obviously what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have an eBay. Now, if you already have an eBay, which will mean that you have bought or sold things on eBay, and that is much better, because obviously if you already have great feedback from the eBay servers, it's going to be much easier for you to start your drop shipping because you're already going to have great reviews. But if you have a new account, what's going to happen is eBay is not going to let you do drop shipping so easily, because obviously it's your first steps and eBay doesn't trust you with all this product sharing and all this drop shipping. So obviously it's going to take a few baby steps and a bit time if your account is new. So let's go ahead and make our account. For that, you're obviously going to click on my eBay. Once you click on that, you're going to come here and click on create account. And once you go on create account, you're going to go and you're going to add an email. You're going to add your name, and once you have added those details, you're just going to set yourself a password, and then you're going to create an account for yourself. Now, obviously, you can make a personal account or a business account. Now, if you want to sell, make sure that you have a business account, because as you can see, you should choose this option if you are a business, you are a nonprofit, you regularly sell a large number of goods. So just know this, that if you want to make a proper store and start drop shipping, then you need to make a proper business account. So let's say your business is about electronics. You can put in your business email, you can put in a password, and once you do all that, make sure that your email is not already registered, because obviously this email of mine is already registered with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up with this. Now, after you're done signing in with your eBay, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go to CJ Dropshipping. Now, CJ Dropshipping is an amazing dropshipping service that dropships worldwide, and it dropships from literally everywhere and anywhere. So obviously you're going to sign in or obviously register for CJ Dropshipping as well. If you don't have an account, I recommend that you make one right away. It's a very quick and easy process, and it's going to take you a jiffy to make it. So just go ahead and make it really quick. I'm just going to sign up with mine real quick. Now, once you're signed in with your CJ Dropshipping account, what you're going to need to do is obviously you're going to authorize yourself with your eBay. So for that, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go up here on authorization, and obviously you're going to get all these different e-commerce websites like Shopify, TikTok, WooCommerce, ShipStation, as it is. Now, obviously we're going to go on eBay and we're going to click on it. Now, once you click on eBay, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to obviously authorize with your eBay, and for that it's going to ask you to add a store. Now let's go ahead and add ourselves our eBay store. Now for eBay, they're saying that you need to put in your store name. Now log into your eBay account, click my eBay to get your store name. So for that, obviously we're going to come here, and for your store name, all you need to do is you're going to go on my eBay and you're going to click on my eBay. And once you've done that, obviously your eBay name or your store name is going to display over here. So this is my store name. So all you need to do is obviously you can either copy the link URL or you can just take the store. You're going to go on my CJ and you're going to write it in. So let's say mine is this. Once you add in your store, all you need to do is you're going to click authorize, and what's going to happen from there is it's going to properly authorize your eBay store. So over here, as you can see, review and grant application access, what you're going to do is you're going to click on agree and continue. And once you do that, you're going to come back to your CJ Dropshipping, and look at that. It says authorization success, and your basically your eBay store was successfully authorized with CJ Dropshipping. So now is where you can start off your drop shipping with different products. So let's say you can come up here and you can just write anything random on CJ Dropshipping. Let's say I write cat. Now, once I write cat, what's going to happen is that I'm going to start seeing these products. Now, make sure that you go on warehouses and select the warehouse of your region. Like, for example, if I'm from the US, I'm going to go with the US warehouse. Now, once I click that, what's going to happen, it's going to show me all the cat products that are in the US warehouses that can be dropshipped from the US warehouses. So let's say I like this portable cat backpack. So I'm just going to look at this on CJ Dropshipping. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to search the same thing on the eBay website. So let's say, let's come back here. It's a portable cat backpack. I'm going to come up here on eBay and write portable cat backpack. I'm going to write that. And obviously, you can start searching all these different things. You can also write the for spring outling. So you can also write that up there for spring outling. You can put that up, and once you put that up, obviously you're gonna find all these different things. So just make sure to find the right one. Now, once you find the correct product that you want to basically start drop shipping, all you're gonna need to do is, obviously, if you're a proper seller with a proper selling business account. So once you're down here, it's going to start saying start selling down here if you're a proper business account with a proper seller. So yeah, if you see a product that you like, you can cross-reference it and you can cross-check it. Now, obviously, this over here is your CJ Dropshipping, but this is where you're going to see the products that you want to check on eBay. So as I said, you like the product, you click on it, you're going to wait for it to load up, and down here it's going to say start selling, and you're just going to click on that and you're going to start displaying it to your eBay store. Now, before all of that, what you can do is you're going to go on Google Trends. And Google Trends, if you don't know what this is it's an amazing Google service website where you can search up any term or topic that's trending, and it's going to show its graph or chart for how many searches people have made. So you can write cat or portable cat backpack over here, and it's going to show you a proper graph. As you can see, it's going to show you a graph like this, and once it shows you a graph like that, you can tell that obviously people are buying this, so you can get a lot of money off of drop shipping this. So once you do that, all you need to do is you're gonna place it on your store. And once you do that, what's gonna happen is you're gonna go on my CJ on your CJ drop shipping. And once you go on my CJ, what you're gonna do is you're gonna sync both your stores, your CJ dropshipping store and your eBay store. So for that, what you need to do is obviously you're just gonna go on orders. And once you go on orders, you can either go on imported orders or orders tracking, or you can just go on products. And once you go on that, they're going to give you a sync option to sync with your website. And let's say I'm going to go on imported orders. Now, once I'm on imported orders, I'm going to wait for it to load up. Okay, so now that it's loaded up, all you need to do is you're going to click on sync store orders. It's going to take a while to load, but once it loads, your store orders will be synced here, and the drop shipping item that you placed on eBay will be over here, and from here you can just drop ship it easily. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to start dropshipping on eBay using CJ Dropshipping. I hope this video was easy and helpful to you, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.